See, this is our mobile charger. Today we see what inside our mobile charger. First we need a tester and open this. And we need to open this. See, this is our mobile charger inside. This is AC input and this is plus minus cable output, DC output. This is signal light. This is our capacitor and this is mini capacitor. This is a transformer, mini transformer. This is our capacitor and this is resistor, and we need 4 diode here and 4 diode, and set 1 transistor and set 1 PF. This is PF, green color, and whole circuit is mobile charger. This is very simple, 5 volt only. You can charge any mobile. Please subscribe us for more scientific video.